Pretty boy. Man. Give it a kiss, honey.
Look at its feet.
Give me a kiss. I ain't scared. Huh? Huh?
Are you scared now? Oh my God, the nose get down.
Oh. We see who the boss is. He's gonna hit you, honey. Watch him.
I know.
He was just trying to headbutt them.
He almost got out the gate.
No, look, it is cute little goat.
Look, this dog is so sweet. Come here. Let them goats mean to you.
He's the one that herds them in and out and stuff, probably.
Let them goats mean to you. Aww.
Holy crap! It just swallowed a whole cucumber.
Oh my God, they get their heads all the way through. Look at that. It's crazy.
Wow. Did it steal it?
Yeah.
I didn't see it take it. Oh my gosh. We gotta buy something for it. Come on. Animal feed right there.